27, 2024, and we just arrived here at Narita International Airport here in Japan. And the first order of business is to actually find kung saan tayo pwede magpalit ng US dollars. Actually, $100 lang yung dala ko because kailangan ko lang ng pumasahe, pumayad sa bus, pagbili ng SIM card, and doon na tayo mag-withdraw pagdating natin sa Tokyo. PM. Nandito kami ngayon sa Ichika Kuya Restaurant near the Shibuya Crossing. So, dinner muna kami after namin mag-photo op doon sa Shibuya Crossing. And nagpabalik-balik kami ng lakad for the experience. And of course, for the photos. So, ngayon mag-dinner muna tayo bago tayo umuwi. Pabalik sa hotel. Ito yung ramen na order natin. And then, gyoza. Super sarap. Our next stop is Takeshita Street, located in the Harajuku district of Tokyo. It is a vibrant and bustling hub of youth culture and fashion. It's a must-visit for any traveler looking to experience the quirky and colorful side of Japanese street style.
Good morning, guys! It's officially our day 2 here in Japan. Temperature is about 6 degrees Celsius. Pero kaninang 6 a.m. nag-0 degree siya. So last night, nag-bombard ako ng sobrang daming moisturizer sa face ko. Because from what I've experienced, every time na malamig yung panahon, mabilis mag-chap and mag-crack yung skin ko. We are now heading to Shinjuku Station. It's a few minutes away lang from where we are staying. Doon tayo sasakay, going to the station, papunta ng Tsukiji Market. There, look.
We just arrived here at Tokyo Station. So, photo op muna tayo dito. Let's go!
Ang ganda! Ang lakas mga shala bells. Look at that. So, nagsiset up lang kami ng camera para makapag-photoshoot tayo. Dito sa Tokyo Station and landmark. Ang ganda. Look at that.
We're now walking to Tsukiji Market. We plan to have our lunch there. Oh, shucks. Keep left pala. Ganda. I don't know what that is though. Ang ganda siguro nitong mga puno na to. I mean yung leaves during autumn. So lalanta na sila because it's officially winter here in Japan. Tsukiji Market is about 2.3 kilometers away from Tokyo Station. Medyo gutom na kami. And also ang lamig. And finally, we arrived at Tsukiji Market. It's a must-visit spot in Tokyo, famous for its fresh seafood and vibrant atmosphere. Originally the world's largest fish market, it's now a bustling area filled with shops and restaurants offering everything from sushi to street food. We even tried some delicious ramen, making it a perfect place to experience Japan's rich food culture firsthand. Okay guys, we are walking towards the Imperial Palace.
白い粉雪が剣に舞い落ちる二人の影が一つに溶ける君の手の温かさに触れた瞬間心の中の春が芽生えた夜空に星が
Hey guys, it's currently 3:20 p.m. So, nag-spend lang kami around 30 minutes within or around the Imperial Palace Garden. Sobrang ganda. Yung mga photos ko para akong dinikit sa photos. Sobrang ganda ng background. So, now we're heading towards the Tokyo Station. Explore naman natin yung basement area nila. Then probably after that, babalik tayo sa Ginza for window shopping. Window shopping lang ha. Okay, so let's go! Window shopping muna tayo. I think dito na rin kami magdi-dinner before going back to the hotel. So we're just gonna spend the next few hours strolling around Ginza. It's currently 7 o'clock p.m. now and we are back here sa Shinjuku area after namin mag-stroll sa Ginza. So, naghanap lang kami ng restaurant malapit sa area namin from Hotel Landmax. This is around 800 meters away lang. So, dito na kami nag-dinner. So, bang chismis ko sa inyo is that ang dami namin nabiling stuff sa Uniqlo Ginza. Kasi nga, when we compared yung prices, sobrang mura nung price versus sa Philippines. So, yung mga heat tech, I think parang 50% yung difference. So, nag-hoard na ako ng I think 2 pairs para meron akong buffer na heat tech kapag pumalik ako sa Japan or kung pupunta tayo sa malamig na country ulit. Good morning guys! Today is December 29, 2024. For today's itinerary, we will be visiting the Sensoji Temple, the Nakamise Shopping Street which is across the temple. We're also going to Asakusa, Sumida River Park because sabi nila maganda yung view ng Tokyo Skytree doon. If meron pa tayong time, pupuntahan na rin natin yung Ueno Park. So, first thing on our agenda, kakain muna tayo bago tayo pumunta sa station. So, naghahanap kami ng restaurants here in Shinjuku. And we found this. Kain muna tayo. Pili tayo ng kakainin natin. Speak English. Okay. This is what we ordered, guys. May binigay silang tonkatsu sauce. And then, this is the other order. You guys, we are done with brunch. Sinisipon-sipon pa ako kasi may mild spice yung curry and then ang lamig. So habang kumakain ako, tumutuloy yung sipon ko. Sorry. We are now here at Nakamise Shopping Street in Tokyo. This is a historic market near Sensoji Temple, offering traditional snacks, souvenirs, and crafts. It features around 90 shops along a 250-meter stretch, making it a popular spot for tourists and locals to experience Japanese culture and cuisine. cruise yung mga tao dito. Nag-stroll lang kami around the area. Actually, gusto ko ng coffee. Tapos parang hindi pa ako nakapagkape since arrival here in Japan. But then, gusto rin namin pumunta muna dun sa Ueno Park kasi baka hanggang 5 o'clock PM lang siya. We just arrived here at Ueno Park. Sarap maglakad. Lamig ng weather and ang tahimik lang niya. Guys, meet Blackie. So may naiwag na ka-open na takoyaki and then lumapit siya, inubos na lang niya. Good job! It's currently 4 o'clock PM, you guys. Lalakad pa rin kami dito sa may Ueno Park. Look at that. Ang lamig pa rin ng weather. Actually, lumamig na ngayong 4 o'clock PM. Ang aga mag-sunset dito, parang around 4:30-ish PM, madilim na siya. And then, 5 PM-ish onwards, sunset na talaga. So, golden hour na nila dito at 4 o'clock PM. For today's itinerary, we will be going to Gotokuchi Temple, Meiji Jingu Shrine, Ye Shrine, Hachiko Statue. Because as you remember, nang isang araw, supposedly pupunta na kami sa Meiji Jingu. Pero pagdating namin doon, sarado. So we decided na today, lahat ng mga shrines, temples, pag-isahin na namin and puntahan na namin siya today. So it's going to be a shrine slash temple slash park day today. We are walking to the Gotokuji Temple from the station. 8 minutes walk lang siya. So dumaan kami sa parang residential area. Nanonood ako ng mga bahay. Nice. Gotokuji Temple in Tokyo is famed as the origin of the Maneki Neko or beckoning cat, symbolizing good luck and prosperity. The temple features numerous cat statues linked to a legend where a cat saved the feudal lord from the storm. Visitors leave cat figurines as offerings, hoping for a good fortune, making Gotokuji a unique cultural and spiritual destination. Hey guys, it's 11:45 PM. Kakatapos lang natin mag-stroll sa Gotokuji Temple. Pabalik na tayo sa station because may nakita kami doon ng mga restaurants. We decided na doon na lang tayo mag-lunch bago tayo pumunta sa ating next destination, which is He Shrine. See ya! Guys, piniinit natin tong pusang cake na to in raspberry flavor. Ginaon natin dito sa restaurant para na-try natin siya as dessert. Nam-nam. It's currently 2 o'clock PM and our next stop would be the Hachiko statue. mga 11 minutes walk lang siya. So there. Welcome to Yoyogi Park, you guys. Tinitingnan natin ngayon yung mapa para ma-figure out natin kung saan tayo pupunta. But very overwhelming yung area. So, since wala akong idea what to expect here, let's just go around, stroll na lang tayo. Hey guys, time check, 3:11 PM. Nag-quick stroll lang tayo dito sa Yoyogi Park. And then, we're heading towards Meiji Jingu Garden. Ang chill ng day, park day lang talaga kami today. Check 7:30 AM. Today is December 31, 2024. And also our day 5 here in Tokyo. So, for today's itinerary, since it's the last day of the year, we decided to spend the day at Disneyland. Pirates of the Caribbean. So, fun fact, akala ko lahat ng mga rides sa mga Disneylands pare-pareho lang. So, hindi pala. Apparently, because Pirates of the Caribbean, parang hindi ko naman siya nakita sa Hong Kong. So, next in our agenda is hanap muna tayo ng makakainan because gutom na tayo and hindi pa tayo na breakfast. Let's go! So for now, we're having the special set. Meron siyang hotdog, fries, and then mamimili ka ng drinks kung soft drinks, coffee, or hot choco. So yung isang set nila is about 1,240 yen. That's equivalent to around mga 480-ish pesos sa Philippine currency. Last night in Tokyo and we made it count. We walked around Roppongi Hills, soaking in that stunning city lights and that iconic view of Tokyo Tower glowing in the distance. Tokyo, you have been unforgettable. See you next time!